So the website opens with a welcome page where you can click on login, register, or use it as a guest. I'm going to click on register now. And if you already have an account, you click login. And if you don't, you register. So let's type the name, the username, the email, password, and you can also log in with Google or with Facebook. Dietary preferences, let's choose keto and vegetarian. Allergies and intolerances, let's go gluten. Food you don't like, I'm actually gonna add one. And also choose onions from the list. Food you enjoy and want to eat more of. I'm gonna add avocado and also spinach. Skill level, let's go with intermediate. And this is the home page. It says welcome, the username you chose. This is a slideshow which has different things every day and every week. You can bookmark and add it to the cookbook. It says let's start cooking. So cook ingredient, you have the cuisine of the week, which is Italian. You can choose to cook Italian dishes. And ingredient of the week, you can choose to cook with it. Now you have my recipes, trending recipes, new recipes, following, and for me. The my recipes and following part is empty since this is a new account. Let's go to recipes. You have different cuisines, seasonal meals, and desserts. Let's go to our recipe. Let's go to this new one. You can like it, bookmark it, add it to cookbook. You can change the portion sizes. You have the ingredients here, which are optional, core, and the supplies you need. You can click on easy measurements to switch them to easier versions of them. You can switch the ingredients you don't like, and you can also add the ingredients that go through wrist and remove them. You can add a note. Let's say I love this, and save. Back. You have the full recipe here with ingredient preparation and the cooking part. You can go to video recipe and watch the video, or short recipe, which everything is in a shorter version. Let's search for something. No results found. Yeah, one result found for the thing we were looking for. And if we go to login and type the username, and type the password, and click login, we will have our page and also a profile picture, and you will have your recipes saved and things you follow. That is the only difference when you have an account. So it's the same also with when you use it as a guest. You won't have the recipes and the following, and you can't add them to your account without logging in or registering. So that was it. Thank you.